Hi, this is Sam with Keys of Hekate. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing the unboxing for Sacred Space Crate for May 2021. Excuse how the box looks. I had to take off my address and so that looks crazy. And then they put, for some reason, the mail wrote my apartment number on on the box. So anyways, but yeah, this month's theme for the box is Spellcaster, which sounds really interesting. I don't know what to expect, but yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. I always love Sacred Space Crates boxes and themes. And spellcasting. I don't want to read too much into it, but spellcasting. And they didn't have a box for April because they were moving, so. Okay, so we got our calendar. May's full moon is called the flower moon. And today is May 1st, so blessed Beltane to anyone watching this whenever I get this video up. And the full moon looks like it's on the 26th, and it's a lunar eclipse. Cool. And then on the back they always have the moon and the zodiac for all the, yeah, the zodiac meanings. Looks like there's a Saturn retrograde and a Mercury retrograde going on too this month. So really cool. Awesome. And then we also got, looks like, we got some paperwork for the candle colors, which I know some of the candle color meanings, but it looks like we get to fill it out for this box. That's interesting. Let's take a look and see what we get. So we got Dragon's Blood incense. Cool. Got, well, it says we got a post-ritual grounding tea. So I guess we have a ritual in here. That's cool. So catnip leaf, lavender flower, peppermint leaf, and holy basil. Cool. All right. We got one of these cool jars. We got some vervain. Nice. I mentioned before that I like these little jars because you can sit them up like that. It's nice. Oh, we got black salt protection circle casting salt. Cool. Nice. Got a little baggie here. With some crystal. Okay, pop crystal quiz. Is this tourmaline? Tumbled tourmaline? Black tourmaline? I'm not 100% sure, but I think so. We'll take a look at the paperwork. Oh wow, we got a lot of chime candles, which would make sense because we got that paperwork over there. I think one of every color. Yeah. And looks like 2 whites, which white can be for any meaning, so any intention, so that makes sense. Very cool. That's awesome. We've got some, oh, did we get a wand for spellcasting? I was wondering if we'd get a wand. This is a really cool baggie. What did we get? Oh, we did. Look at that. This looks handmade. That's cool. That's really pretty. A lot of work went into that because yeah, it definitely looks handmade. So, wow. All right. And then there's something big here. I don't know. Well, something here too. We got a turmeric salve, anti-inflammatory, grapeseed oil, beeswax, and phenonip. Cool. I always like that they make their own salves. I've been using, I think we got a chamomile one. I've been using that one recently. And then look at this. It's a wrapped up journal, but I've never seen a journal wrap like this. I hope I'll be able to rewrap it, but I need to open it up and see it. Okay. All right, let me, I think that's it, so I can maybe put this to the side. Yeah, okay. Oh, cool. Okay, hopefully I can show this correctly. The magic is in you. I've never had a journal roll up like that. I've never seen something like that before. It's, yeah, it's like parchment paper. Wow. And this is, I mean, this is clearly leather. That's really cool. Cool. Okay. That's really good. I've never gotten anything like that before. That's really cool. All right. Anyways, take a look at this here. This month's box is about spellcasting, but most importantly, how to tap into your magic by writing, and most importantly, perfecting our own spells. This takes time, patience, and lots of practice, but it is all worth it when you've conjured up the perfect fail-proof spell that you can always go to when needed and feel confident including it into your spellbook for future generations. No one wants a spellbook full of spells that don't work, so let's fill them up with real magic. There is no more powerful magic than what is inside of you, so when you can tap into that, you are going to be successful and getting what you want in life. Success usually requires practice. You're not going to become a gold medalist in gymnastics unless you put a ton of practice in it. Same rule goes for spellcasting. Trial and error are just part of the process, so don't be afraid to fail a few times before you get it right. I'm not going to read through all of it here, but it does give, I guess, it looks like an introduction to spellcasting, mentions meditation, it looks like, and what to do with the journal. It looks like, yeah, keep a journal of your spell practice. Then it mentions the custom leather spell journal. It says she's always admired these long leather journals. I've never even seen ones that roll up like that before. I don't know, maybe I don't know my journals very well, but that's really cool. Don't worry about the shape. Lay it flat on a table, and after a day it will flatten out by itself, so it will be easy to write in. Okay, so that's good. Maybe I can put a book on it or something, and it will probably help. But really cool. And then, yeah, it's a custom wood wand with hand sewn protection bag. No two will be exactly the same since they're handmade and hand painted. Okay, yep, so that makes sense. And they're bamboo. And yeah, there's a lot of, she says there's a lot of resin wands that are widely available, but these are, yeah, clearly made of wood, so it's bamboo. Very cool. Oh, and her family coven pitched in to make the protection bags. That's nice. And then we have our spell candles and the spell candle journal page. And then we have the vervain in the jars and the protection salts. It's not the typical black salt, okay? It's with lavender and salt. Okay. Did I not see the lavender? Interesting. All right. Okay, so I was wrong. It's a small larvikite crystal. I'm not sure if I have that. I might have that already, but cool. So it's also very protective as well as a great grounding stone. Then we have the Dragon's Blood incense sticks, the tea, the salve, and then the calendar. And it mentions the retrogrades in May. So very cool. I was taking a look, I was going to try and see what the next theme is, and I don't see it on here. Actually, now that I think about it, I think I saw it on Instagram, and I think the theme for next month is, I think it's Litha. I think they're doing it for the Sabbath. So, yeah. This was a really cool theme. I think this is, yeah, this is only the second wand I've ever gotten in a box. Actually, the other one I have right here from, I got this one from Nine of Earth from the Sea Witch box. So this one is more, I guess, I don't know, traditional, not as rainbow like the other one. So this one's kind of nice, and I like that that both of them are, you know, handmade, that there's, you know, like intention put in them. And this journal, I have a lot of journals, but I like this one's kind of, I like the engraving and that it's kind of, well, I like leather journals. Because, you know, they look fancy that way. But this one I've never seen before that's rolled up like that. It makes it seem more fancy, and, you know, when it's fancy you kind of want to, I guess, write in it more. Makes it more interesting. And I do use chime candles quite a bit, so yeah, I thought this was really nice. So anyways, let me know your thoughts. Yep, like, comment, subscribe, and otherwise have a great Beltane. Thanks guys. Bye.